Bite in it.
Some people played hooky from work to watch the game, and some companies held watch parties right in the office. This video's from Cushman & Wakefield. That's a real estate firm in downtown Tampa. They let their employees watch the game on several TVs around the office, and the company's senior director just happens to be a former pro soccer player.
Well, there you go.
Right now on News Channel 8 at 5.
And while Team USA worked in rainy Brazil, a lot of Americans stopped working this afternoon. An employment firm in Chicago estimates today's 2-hour World Cup break cost the country $390 million in lost office productivity.
Downtown, it was all hands on deck in the Cushman & Wakefield conference room. American flag ties and pizza. Real estate took a short break while the U.S. team got to work.
I'd be setting up tours and you know, trying to find spaces for my clients.
The real estate broker Brian Breeding prepared in advance.
Last night, actually, and this morning were both kind of compacted.
A loss in productive work hours, some think yes, but even without a win, these workers think it was a day well spent.
Well, if it's spent watching the United States of America, I'm there.
And kick on over to WFLA.com for much more on Team USA and our World Cup coverage.